In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove silence in CapCut. Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to remove silence from your videos in CapCut. Let's get started. Sometimes having too much silence in a video can really interrupt the flow of your content. It can make your video feel a bit disjointed or even awkward at times. By removing those quiet gaps, you can keep your video more engaging and smooth from start to finish. Here on the channel, we always make sure to get rid of any long pauses or unwanted gaps between transitions. This helps to make our tutorials concise and enjoyable. And today, I'm excited to show you exactly how you can achieve the same results using CapCut. To begin, let's start by launching CapCut on your device. If you want to create something new, go ahead and tap on New Project. But if you're already working on a project, you can easily open that one instead. For today, I'm going to choose an existing video clip. Let's run through it quickly. As you can hear, there's this noticeable silent gap that we need to work on removing. Moving on to the steps, we'll start by generating captions and identifying those filler words. Scroll along the bottom toolbar until you find the captions option and give that a tap. Once you're in, you'll notice an option to generate captions for your video. Simply tap on that to get started. Just a quick note here. Generating captions will require a pro subscription if you see a diamond icon pop up. Now that your captions are ready, keep an eye out for the Remove Filler Words option. This tool is wonderfully designed to automatically detect those unnecessary pauses or filler sounds like or any silent breaks that might be in your audio. Next up, let's dive into deleting those pauses and filler words. Click on Remove Filler Words and then tap Auto Identify. Allow CapCut's AI a moment to analyze your audio. Once it's finished, it will highlight all the detected filler words or silent gaps for you. In my case, it discovered one filler word. Let's locate it, and now we can simply delete it. When you're satisfied with your edits, go ahead and tap Done. And there you have it. You've successfully removed silence from your video, and now you know how to remove silence from your videos in CapCut easily, especially if you're using the pro version, helping your content to flow naturally and professionally. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss more CapCut tips and tricks. See you in the next one, and happy editing.